because I'm the host.
Oh, you are the host. Alberto,
One moment.
2 moments you have, not one.
Hello, you with me?
Yes, we can.
Yes.
Okay, so can we start?
Yeah, please. Bismillah.
Okay, just before to start the video, I show you the line on static. Okay, so that is the fitting elevator. Okay, when you reverse the boxes on this place, you can have a sort of selection, and after you have the longer elevator, bring the product on the top of the wagon. Okay. That is the model area with the belt discharge, with the platform, okay, for the inspection of the scale. So you can go upstairs to control, to clean, and eventually to the inspection of the weigher, okay. Power electrical cabinet, that is the cabinet where you need to provide the general electric from the building. Okay, so you will arrive inside of this cabinet, and all the rest of the cable of the machine involved in the deal arrived already inside. Okay, as you can see, you have DRT, you have a net pump loader, and you have the weigher. Okay, so for service you can switch off a single line instead to switch off the power of the main line of the building. Okay, that is the computer of the G09 where you have interface touch screen, so you can control all the parameters, you can load all the let's say program. When we will come to install the machine together with your people, we will create all the program working. So you need only to resume and to start. Anyway, you can upload anytime all the program you need. Okay? The line is already set as we discussed during my last visit. It means the bag and the exit of the bag is on the back side with the rotary table. Okay? If you remember the drawing, and you can see the drawing of the line.
Yeah, it's clear.
That is the drawing. That is the drawing of the line. We agreed to go back and the room where it will start.
He make like curve, huh?
Okay. Clear?
Yes,
Clear?
yes.
Clear.
Okay. So you have the DRC machine with one roll and the other roll of film and 2 tubes of net. One is empty, the other one is full. So you can refill the tube empty during the working time with the other one. Take away belt and the rotary table. The machine is equipped with a printer, so we can you can create by the software all the labels you need, and after you can load the dedicated label inside of the printer and print automatically the label. Now it's a test label, so we can test a barcode or the description to see if everything is okay. And the label will be applied directly on the film. For the test, at the moment, we set up the machine to have 1.5 kilo bag. Okay, so this is the generic film with the red net and 1.5 kilo baby potato. Cesare, you can start the machine. Yes. Yeah. The machine when it is in the beginning they have deep learning, so they will set up by self with a parameter, and slowly the machine will take all the parameters and they start to change the speed. As you can see, the machine is all faster because it is in auto learning system.
So they can go from the beginning, how move the root inside the machine.
Yeah, he will take us.
Weighing up, huh?
Yeah.
This potato, huh?
Yes. Potato and weight is 1.5 kg.
Yes. Nice. Great. Now machine run or stop?
Yeah, it's running. Machine is already running. Only when the feeding conveyor will run when you need potato on the weighing machine.
تقريبا ما تبغوا موظفين زياده فيها كمان.
Yes. Feeding or monitoring واحد فوق.
This is
Here.
they are putting the label.
One for monitoring, right? And collecting. 3-4 موظفين بيشغلوها ترى. Right?
This is where potatoes are dropping.
Yes, yes.
So this is the way here. Potato is dropped.
Yes,
Here
yes.
the bag is making banding.
This
and
8 gate. What is it?
Geo9, yeah, 9.
9?
9.
Here up. They need one monitoring always or not?
Yeah, no.
Not necessary.
No, this here.
شايف؟ عشان تطلع تشوف البضاعة إذا في مشكلة ولا شيء.
See this.
بس هي لحالها بتاخذ حسب الوزن، شوف.
The product comes from here.
تاخذ
على حسب الوزن.
تاخذ من هذا من هذه شوي من هذه شوي لحتى تكمل الوزن. شايف؟ هي بتختار يعني من أي واحد.
اللي تحت تحسب كم الوزن اللي موجود فيها بعدين تطلعها في السعر.
يا سلام. ليه بتصير الوزن كيلو ونص تنزل لك اياها خلاص.
أيوة.
تحط فيها انت مثلا 50 جرام زياده او ناقص زي هيك.
You see, it collects 1.5
شايف؟
from here into the feeder. Once the bag is ready, it will open this one.
تفتح تنزل على الكيس خلاص تيجي بعدها. Even for apple can work, right?
Sorry?
For apple can work.
Yeah, but usually we don't advise because it's very soft. So when it fall, it will chances
No,
like
apple no. Apple قال apple can.
can run. I mean, as a supplier, I will say no, but you can.
No, I mean try it, but apple, no, sorry, citrus easily.
Citrus, potato, onion.
potato onion. أنا شفت على فكرة الشربات اللي كان يعبي فيها تفاح. شربت لي هي هسه. خرب.
Yeah, but he has not Geo9.
Wait a
He
minute.
has some. Yeah.
ما شاء الله.
Perfect.
How many back there are?
What is the speed now we are running at Alberto?
Allora, the speed at the moment
Yes.
we run around 25 per minute
Okay.
because you can increase the speed by the conveyor and all the timing.
Okay.
And you can connect the program working. For example, if you work citrus or you work potato or you work onions,
But average,
you
how
can
much?
increase or decrease the speed because depending on the fruit, no? It is,
Yeah.
Yes.
But what is the maximum we can go for?
The average speed is supposed to be
Now
average.
they are running 20.
But the speed, I think the maximum you can run this kind of pack around 25 per minute.
بدي
25
with,
consumption
with,
بالدقيقة.
with the double pack.
25.
بدي
Perfect. Perfect. Double band. Okay.
25.
With the double band, 25.
إذا أنت مطلوب منك 1000 خلصهم بنص ساعة ساعة.
Yeah, and let's say that from 20 to 25 is the range of the product.
Okay.
Let's say slowly you can go more slowly depending on the fruit. If you work citrus or you
Citrus لازم 15.
mandarin or clementine
Yeah.
or you work lemon. So
Yeah.
all the parameters as I can show you. Also the speed of the valve, for example, now is 70%. If I see, I can increase the speed.
If you
or
increase the
I
speed of
can-
the bell,
I
okay.
can decrease the speed, you know.
Okay, okay,
And this is the parameter all the time
Okay.
adjustable.
okay, okay.
The pricing of the order, so you can create this, let's say the customized dress for each
product. Yes.
One
if
question
you need
now
to-
is,
Exactly.
there is some part always in the machine used, let's say like car, you have spring, you have something, this one. you-
What are the consumables on this machine which is coming with the machine, Alberto? The consumables?
10 قلبية.
Power, no, consumable is PIM,
Yeah, خلاص.
net, the PIM is a double band, 1 and 2,
Yeah.
front and back side,
Yeah.
the net and the label.
And the
That
label,
is
okay.
No, I mean like spare part.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. And what are some important spare parts, critical spare parts with the machine? Are you
The
sending?
critical spare parts concerning the weigher is very good to have eventually stock, but eventually you can change after 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, depending on the
Usage.
quality of the air inside of the building. Can be one type of air cylinder on the top,
Okay.
and eventually there is no other things. So.
And this cylinders is a Festo standard cylinder, is it? You can.
Yeah, it's a standard cylinder. It's a standard cylinder.
Okay.
Will be better to insert the same brand. For example, we have recommended our spare parts to Fischl, but the cylinder is the cylinder. So there are in the market plenty of that.
Yeah. Okay.
Regarding the PLC, it's more important to have in stock, let's say, the knife for the finger,
Okay.
or the
Yeah.
knife for the top, the
Okay.
sealing bar, but that will be for sure not for future. Okay, but to have in stock, that will
Okay.
be.
Yeah, we need one list of the critical spare parts like knives, punchers,
The
cylinders,
code.
all that. So probably we'll ask them to keep some things in stock as an emergency.
With photo and code. So
Yeah.
next time if I need
Okay,
to order this
yeah,
part,
yeah,
I know
yeah.
this code and photo.
أيوة، تعديل الباركود من وين يا محمد؟
Right?
Manual PD.
Sorry.
No, what is important is also the quality of the air must be dry.
Okay, yeah.
So you need to have a depending
Filtered,
dryer,
yeah,
not water
dry.
coming inside of
Yeah.
the air.
Yeah, okay.
Otherwise, you can have a problem in the pneumatic valve.
Sure.
Not in our
Did,
machine.
did you recommend some dryer with dryer?
Okay.
You have dryer already?
I have, but I did not trust it.
Okay.
I think we have to change or to make bigger for this machine.
Okay. Okay.
الدراير عندنا الدراير مجفف الهواء هذا يطلع
There should not be any moisture in the air, so otherwise,
It's very important.
Yeah. So I can recommend one good company which they do good dryers,
طيب الاستيكر تبع
compressor and dryer.
ها؟
نقول يا حلاوتهم.
Yes, Alberto?
Yeah, no. It's hello.
I think
The line is very simple.
Yeah.
So when you will start to use the line, your understanding is very.
When they will start to ship?
And also you need to consider.
Yes.
Now you have only one barrier on this side. In the future, you can add another
another
barrier on the
yeah,
opposite
yeah,
side,
yeah,
which
that-
is
yeah.
at the moment.
That
is
was the plan,
empty.
yeah.
And eventually the barrier can be, for example, this one. So I show you.
Yeah, please.
the
very
factory.
important thing.
Word pack.
The size of the door entrance of the factory.
Yeah,
Will
you
come?
can
Yeah,
insert
the machine will be dismantled.
perfect machine,
Just double check.
or you can insert like a clipper machine.
Clipper machine.
Is the,
هذه الصغيرة.
How much this?
This is the clipper
Yeah.
where you have the cheapest pack with the clip and the label.
This we can add it on same
You can
machine.
Yeah, on the
insert,
second
How much
side.
this?
or you can insert the premium pack, the perfect machine.
Word
Okay.
bag. Can you just show the word bag machine also to them? If there is anything available in stock.
Yeah. I will show you. I will show
Clipper
you
machine, how
perfect
much?
machine.
Clipper machine will be how much, Alberto? Budgetary price.
مسكينة هذه صح؟
The clipper machine, what will be
Yeah,
the
the
budgetary
clipper
price for the
machine.
clipper machine?
The velvet machine.
No,
I
clipper,
will show you.
clipping machine.
Sorry.
Clipping machine.
Clipper machine. Clipper machine. I show you. Is the last one.
No, what is the budgetary
Oh,
price?
price.
Price. A budgetary price.
The price. Sorry. Yeah. The price of that machine we are about with all the kit, and the protection we are about around 37,000 euro.
Okay.
Good.
Which can be integrated with this machine without additional parts. Is it? Only we need that machine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, you can integrate any time to the other side. This is the clipper machine, very simple. We will drop the product here. You have a touch screen panel included. You have the double tube.
Okay.
You have the label applicator.
Okay.
So
It's a wide label.
هذا كليبس هذا.
one label like this one,
Okay.
and we can connect the clipper to the. We can connect the label to the clipper in that position.
Okay.
It's together.
Okay.
Wait.
And the clipper can be plastic or metal, is it?
Sorry,
Clip can be plastic or metal.
Copper.
the clipper can be plastic or can be, let's say, the paper, cellulose.
Okay, can be paper also. Okay. Very good. And also metal.
That is one test pack.
Okay.
Test pack with the plastic through it because we're using this to test the machine.
Okay.
That is a test printing, so you can see. You can print the barcode. You
No,
can
the
print
clipper,
the logo. To the other,
Slipper or
to the other,
metal?
to the other side is white, but you can put your logo, for example, logo of the customer.
Yeah,
Okay?
on the back side, yeah. And can you show the clip, the clip? Can you show the clip, what is used there?
Sorry.
The clip, what is used there? Clip on the pouch.
It's metal or he said plastic.
Clip.
I don't understand.
Clip.
I don't understand the question. Sorry.
On the pouch you have a clip, is it? With the wine label you have a clip.
Yeah.
And we want to see what is that clip, plastic or paper or metal.
So you want to see what in operation?
No.
Clip, clip.
The clip is copper or plastic can be.
No. It's a copper. It's a copper, and it's very easy to separate because in the system, in the system of recycling, the copper is very easy to separate. People thinking it's iron, but because it's heavy, when they destroyed the pack, the iron clip or copper clip, as we call it, they moving in another area very fast from the rest of
From
the
the
plastic
bag.
and paper for the separation.
Okay.
Okay. That machine I show you is the vertical one. This one, the specific, is another clipper that is horizontal.
Horizontal, okay.
This is the, now the machine is a 20 centimeter wire, but you can load the product inside of the belt here.
Okay.
And the machine can working alone, stand alone. This is a very good for customers.
This is our machine.
Horizontal.
In a separate machine,
Like
clipping,
fruit.
they can do sweet potato, they can do many other things. So,
But this one for bonnet, this one bag only, right? No bonnet.
Yeah, no, this one is for
Sorry?
bags, not for pullets. But flow wrap is another one which can be used for pullets. Yeah, can we just have a look the word bag, Alberto, if you word bag machine?
هو كان
Yes, 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 I will show you. I will show you back there.
Thank
Now,
you.
in the meantime, I will show you the company, so you can see the company also.
انا بشوف حوالي كنسل 10 حوالي سنة.
That is another machine, my friend, just because I pass in front of you.
Yeah.
This is the machine FLU with the film, with the flow pack, where you can close the bandits by film or by net.
Yeah.
It can be
So the
connected
same
on same machine, huh?
No, no.
The same machine, this one,
This is the
can close the pack like this, so film macro perforated with the handle, or instead of the film, you can have the net.
Net. Yeah.
Okay, so now I show you the building. This is another area of the factory, Soma factory. I will show you the nerve machine.
Massive. This is another area.
Yeah, this is the area of stock,
Stop.
prepare project for customer, or ready machine to deliver it, both. So the bagger is like this one, the top one or the bottom one.
Okay.
That is the barber machine. Okay,
Okay.
where you have extruded net, the bigger roll in the bottom, you can see on the back of
Okay.
machine.
Yeah, yeah.
And you have a double roll of film, front and back side.
Okay, okay. Fine.
You see? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. Perfect.
Okay.
Our machine, Waha machine, it is divided into three parts. Is it? One is for the Geo9 and then the feeding system and then the bagger.
I don't understand. I'm sorry. There is a lot of noise in
Okay.
returning the room walls. Can you repeat?
Okay. No, I said, what is the machine you are putting in the container in three different boxes? Is it? You did not-
Machine, I consider water. Sorry.
In the container.
Very bad.
Okay.
Yes.
In the container, we have Geo9, we have bagger, and we have elevator. Is it? Which is packed
You
individually.
have you
So-
have also the frame. You have the stakes.
Yeah.
I
So-
don't know. In the container. We
No, I want to know.
The line in order to stay inside of the container.
Yeah, I want to know what is the maximum part size so that we know how we go inside the factory.
You
The
will have
dimension.
the answer from you will have the answer from the manager of in charge of the expedition.
Okay. Sorry. Huh?
When they came, they see all the things and they see the entrance, everything. While we're talking about this, huh?
Yeah, but it should be okay.
Should-
Last time we discussed this, it's not a big
Because
thing.
now I see size huge, huh?
Yeah. Huh?
Size, how to enter inside, I'm talking. Right? And one thing more. I mean,
I mean,
Siraj,
what their concern, Alberto, is the machine height is not very high, so that it doesn't. I told him, look, now the machine is already erected.
How many meters?
When you bring parts inside, it will be in boxes or in